box bracing on the outside provides external support for the structure. There are no internal support columns inside this building, and from here it looks tiny. It's actually really long, which you can see once we're under the bridge. You can just take my word for it though. My point, all of that support is coming from the outside of the structure. Over here on your right side, this is Gateway Center number 4, fourth and final in the series. Gateway Centers 1, 2, and 3 are straight international style. While Gateway 4 does have modern qualities, it's much more contextual, taking cues from the space around it, curving with the river, green tinted glass reflective, has that rippling quality, very reminiscent of the water. On your right side, another massive Art Deco structure, our old post office, 1932. Still in disarray. This building has been vacant for over 20 years at this point. The only use it's seen in that time, filming of The Dark Knight, very popular Batman movie from a few years back. They shot a lot of that here in Chicago. They used the space. There was a Gotham City police sign on the rooftop, which was a very big river attraction during the filming. But other than that, this building really hasn't seen any use. So this is all very recent Chicago history being made. A man named Bill Davies owned this building for a number of years, eccentric businessman, had all these grand plans for the space, but he never followed through. In March of 2016,